Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
I wanted to review my most popular flower patterns. You can find these on my Naztazia YouTube channel and website. Links will also be in the description of this video. The first is my kanzashi flower. These are one of the most popular flowers, especially to use on hats, scarves, and handbags, even these crochet hangers. The next one is my rolled rose. I use this flower pattern all of the time in necklaces, handbags, and more. There is also a knitted version as well. And these are my blooming flowers. They are so cute and colorful and work with anything. My ring of roses make wonderful three-dimensional flowers. These are my flowing flowers and are quite decorative. Everyone says they look like little orange slices for the petals. This is my basic 5-petal flower. You can see the large one looks cute on my daughter's hat. You can see another 5-petal flower in these greeting cards. They are a cute basic flower. These bell petal flowers are pretty and have a unique look to them. For Christmas, I have a poinsettia flower pattern too. And finally, my 3-dimensional rose pattern that shows how to make the flower, leaves, and stem is my most popular flower pattern. Be sure to check out my flower playlist on my Naztazia channel for all of the related flower videos.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.